Okay, so in the last class, I have given one exercise to do to finish. It was supposed to be submitted before the beginning of today's class. But when I came to see the screen, only very few students turned out. Other students, what happened? I actually need to know what happened because it seems that many of the students are not being able to do the exercise. Very few out of the group, maybe only four or five students maybe they you have been able to submit. Others, what happened? Are you not following what I am teaching, or uh, what kind of a problem actually you are facing? I need to know because in the class you have more than 60 number of students, and so the sign. Okay, so can somebody tell me what happened? Only four or five students they attempted the exercise. So what happened to the other students? So if I just ask you by name, but Kozukicholia, did you do it? Just write it here, okay, in the chat.
No, sir.
I need to know what the problem you were facing.
Sir.
Otherwise,
Sir?
if you go deeper into the subject, and then if you are not being able to cope up, you will lose interest completely. And this is one of the very important subjects. Yes. Tell me, those who didn't submit, what is the reason? Are you practicing enough? Hmm?
Actually, sir, there is some problem with my laptop, sir.
Someone has to answer. Are you finding any problem till now? That is the main question.
No, sir, I can do.
No, no, you cannot. If you are speaking today, I am not able to hear. Just write down. Okay? Just write down in the chat box. Are you finding any problem or difficulty? Whatever I have told you till now. Yes or no? Can you write down? Can you hear me? Oh, cannot hear.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh,
Can you hear me, sir?
yes. Who is this Taimajat?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes, sir. I can do your assignment, but there is some technical problem in my laptop, sir. I can save it
That's okay.
and I
So
can
if you are,
export it. That's a problem.
no, 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 yes, okay. So my question is up till now, because this is very basic of CAD what I have taught till now, mostly the commands. You have to practice back home so that you are able to perform. So those who have not submitted, what, are you practicing enough? That is my question. Or have you not attempted at all? Sir, I didn't have the software. Yeah, so in that case, I told you you have to move on to a different software. Probably you can go to download AutoCAD and then start doing it. And then there are many other ways how you can get the software. I should not explain you those things, but somehow you have to manage to get hold of the software. Okay. Draft CAD actually they have stopped providing it as the freeware, so we cannot really rely on that software. So rather, I would suggest you go and download and then install AutoCAD. Okay, that is what I have also done precisely here. I have downloaded and then I am now using AutoCAD 2008. The commands that I have uh, taught you till now, those are 100% similar, even in AutoCAD. Okay, so if you want to use draw a line, just draw L, then you can draw a line. If you want to draw a circle, use C. Okay, similar, same commands. So whatever you have learned, you get a platform to use it.
Sir, the video is not visible to me, sir.
What is not visible?
The screen, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. It's like it's kind of bug. Like some are white, some are black, and
Okay, how about
some
now?
are still same, sir.
Okay, let me stop sharing and I'll share it again. Just a moment. Okay, is it clear now? Just let me know, okay? Is it better? Clear?
Oh, sir, it's still. Oh, sir, now it's better now.
Okay, okay. I think this is because of the resolution of the software, of the screen. Okay, so I thought that um, I should again go back to the very basics of these drawings. So if I again looked at your syllabus, so in the syllabus, in module 2, okay, from here actually we can starting our drawings. So it says symbols and sign conventions. So there itself we can start to draw. So actually, in every class, I think I do not have to really keep teaching you the same thing. Okay, so I here what I am going to give you. I will give you some of the exercises for particularly symbols and signs and conventions, and then again in this exercise itself, I will draw a few with you, and then you also have to do it. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. And I ask everyone to do it, okay? Unless, because from here I cannot really see what you are doing back there. So those who really want to learn, you have to install the software and then start practicing the commands I have told you. And the commands, you don't have to do it arbitrarily. So if you just pick up one assignment, there itself you can practice those commands. So let us start with uh, this kind of symbols today. Okay, so I am going to give you one exercise in the WhatsApp group, and from there we will do it together. I will do a few for you, but the remaining you have to do. Okay, including how you are going to give the text and how you have to draw according to the dimension. Okay, just a moment. So if you look in the WhatsApp group, I have shared uh, some of the symbols. Okay, so these symbols will be useful when you are going to use the sectional view. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Yes. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
so from here we have to start. So let us assume one particular block, and then in the block itself, you draw the symbols, you write the names of the symbols, and then you do whatever you have to do for that. For example, the first material is brick, second one is concrete, third one is plaster and plastering product, then sand. Okay, where will you find these things? Any idea?
Instruction.
No, in AutoCAD, where will you find it? Okay, so first, how will you do it? How you are going to do? Let us draw one rectangle first. Which command are you going to use for rectangle?
EC.
REC, good. So in the screen also, see, I use REC. Okay, I pick up one point here, and then I can either give it manually or just input the numbers. So maybe 150, comma 50. Okay, so this is my block. Okay. So first symbol is our brick. So as I said, in order to symbolize this in AutoCAD or in CAD drawing, there is an option called hatch. So you type H for hatch and then enter. Hmm? Okay, it says add pick point. Pick an internal point. So I click there and I click inside this rectangle and then enter. Then you can see the preview somewhere. So where can I see the preview? Just a moment. Here, preview. Okay, so if I click at the preview, I see only white patches. No? So that means I have to change the scale. I have to change the scale again. I have to go back. For that, I again press escape. And then in the scale here, it is by default is 1. So let us change it to 10. And then again see the preview. It has changed a little bit, but it is not enough. I have again to change the scale. Let us do it 100 this time. And then see. Okay. So this is little bit okay as far as scale goes. But in terms of the symbol, this is not the correct symbol for the brick. You have to check another symbol here. You can open up the catalog by clicking on here. Okay. So you see there are different symbols.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir. How do I change the scale, sir?
Scale.
Scale, sir. Mine,
So,
mine is not showing where the scale is, sir.
so it should be which software you are using, by the way?
AutoCAD 2021, sir. So I'm very confused.
I have to see your interface. Only then I can tell you. So
Okay, sir. I will share it.
okay, at the end of the class, maybe I will look into it. Actually, it should be there somewhere. Because ultimately it is an advanced version only. So So anyway, I'll check your thing later in the class. Maybe the class I don't want to really stop now.
Okay, sir.
Or otherwise, you will have to share your screen. Then only I can tell you some.
Okay, sir. I will share my screen.
Let me finish the class, and after that, I will look into it. Okay, in the scale,
Okay, sir.
I put 100, and if I want to change this pattern, I go there, and ANSI 152, I pick up this one, click OK, and then again I see the preview. Okay, so the preview, this time, this is the correct symbol. So again, I change it a little bit, I make it a little bit less, 80, and then this. In terms, this is okay, fine, and then I say enter. Okay, so this is my UCS. If I think I can switch off this UCS icon command, and then OFF off. This is gone. Then zoom extend, and then again zoom 2 times. I go to zoom dynamic. Okay. Then okay, so I want you to draw the symbol as well as you will have to write it on the left side. So for that you will have to create what? Create a table. How we are going to create a table? It is simple. Just draw 2 lines. One line from here, put F8 here, then another line like this. Okay, on the left side, we are going to write the text. So, how? For writing text, you type T. Okay? This is a single line text, remember. So, here I write brick. B R, it should be in capitals. BRICK, brick. Okay, so the font is actually the kind of font it is used here. It is not as, you can change it. Okay, you can also change this height of the font. So if I want to change the font style, probably I can go and then find some of the styles from here. Let me pick up wait a minute. You can see my screen, no? Okay, I am using Roman S. Okay, and then the height I am using as 20. Okay, so you see, this is my text, but this text is still very small. Okay, this is the text. In this case, what should I do? I should change the scale again. There are 2-3 ways how you can change it. You can directly type the scale command SC and enter, and then select this object, and you can use a scale. Suppose I use a scale of 50 now, right? So this has increased. I want to move it to a little bit higher place. Pick it up here and then place it here. This is brick. Just a moment. Okay. Okay, so this is for brick. On the top of it, you have to write two other texts. So I copy this text here, and then what? Okay, how will you copy it? I want to copy this text to here on the top. For that, I write or type CO, copy. I pick up this text. I select this base point, and then manually I drag it somewhere here. Enter. But this has to be changed. What is this has to be changed? It has to be written as material. So this brick needs to be changed to material, right? So for that, what will I do? I will type another command, ED. So ED, write down in your notebook. ED stands for editing. Editing the text. So ED and type enter. Select an annotation object. I pick up this. So here in the brick, I will write what? material, material. Okay. Again, I copy this and then I bring it here. So this side is again ED and this should be symbol. SYMBOL, symbol. Oh. Symbol. Is it okay? Can you hear? Can you see? Students?
Sir.
Yeah, okay. So now today you have learned how to edit the text. So in order to edit the text, the command is ed. Now I have to make a copy of this rectangle and then at the same time I would copy this text together. Okay, so for copy I said CO, select object. So this is one object. I only select the rectangle. Okay, my base point, I can pick up any point here and then I simply type this much is 50, around 50, so I type 200 and then enter. This is my second rectangle. Okay, so again I have to use a kind of hatch for concrete. What is the command? H. I go there, then other or predefine this one, concrete, ARCONC, concrete. I pick OK, then add pick point. I select here, then enter. You can see the preview. So the preview, it cannot be seen because of the scale. Again, I reduce the scale to 1, then I can see it, but 1 is too small. Maybe I should change it to 10. Review. Maybe I should little bit reduce it. 5. Okay. So this is for concrete. Okay. I move it up a little bit, maybe 100. Oh, sorry. Move it on the y-axis. Let's type 100. And on the left hand, on the brick, I type concrete. C-O-N-C-R-E-T-E, concrete. Okay. So can you do it now for the others? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So how about other students? Are you all standing? Then you have to save this file. Save it. Save it somewhere as what tutorial on symbol. Okay, so see your WhatsApp file. Just a moment. In there, I have given you the symbol for materials. So using AutoCAD or CAD, you have to draw plaster and plaster products. Where can you find this? Just check. Sand, then natural or reconstructed stone. So if it is a stone, which symbol you are going to use? These symbols will be useful when you are going to show the cross-sectional view. That means when you are going to cut a particular object and then show it in the drawing. Okay, if it is in wood, this type of a symbol. So can you just try to find this and then send it back to me? Yeah. Okay, so this is the first kind of symbols. Then I am going to give you another type of symbols, uh, which will be mostly uh, for doors and windows and shutters. Okay. So just one more time, I'm going to take a picture and then send it to you. This type of symbols will be asked in your exam also. And you will have a lab exam. This lab will have two exams. One is the theory part, another one is actually the lab part. So in the lab part, you will have to sit in front of the computer and then do it.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm not getting the concrete part, sir.
What?
Concrete.
Grid.
That concrete drawing, sir. I'm not getting it. I don't know why.
The grid point.
Yeah, concrete, sir.
Grid point or the snap point.
Uh,
Can you share me the
that,
screen?
okay, sir.
Okay, let everyone see what the problem here is. Okay, he is facing a problem. So let us try to see what the problem is. So please share the screen. Let me stop this screen. I'll stop sharing. Okay, can you share us the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you see, sir? Can you see it, sir?
Huh? You
Sir,
go
this
to
is
you go to the share content below.
okay. What, sir?
Hmm.
Sir, can you see it, sir?
Wait a minute. We are starting to see. Just a moment, eh? But why is it appearing to be very small? Can you make it bigger, the screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. This is the concrete panel, right? Right, sir.
Ah, so
This
click
drawing, I just click it,
and then
and it, in here, sir, it always goes blank like this. There's
because it
nothing.
is because of the scale. So
Scale.
yeah you press escape.
Yes, sir.
Escape.
Yes, sir. I press it, sir.
Now can you do it again? Yeah, just remove whatever content is there inside the box and start again.
Okay, sir.
Delete it. Delete it.
Yes,
So
sir.
is
I
it
delete.
a rectangle? Okay.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
in.
So type
No.
age. Type age.
Yes, sir.
And then
Now, sir, it goes like this.
do you have a button? Yeah. Okay. That one. Select it inside the box. Hmm. Then
It
escape.
goes like this, sir.
I cannot really see your thing. It's very small. Which version is this one? 2021?
Concrete one, sir.
Huh?
Concrete one.
No. This is AutoCAD or what?
Yes, sir. This is AutoCAD.
And which version is this?
For me, 2021,
2021.
sir. I just downloaded it yesterday, sir.
Okay, you downloaded it yesterday. First of all, your screen is very small. Actually, I cannot really see what. I don't know. Can you make it bigger? The screen?
Let me see, sir.
No, not the screen of your software, but the screen that you have shared. I cannot see the interface clearly. There may be a way
Sir,
I can share it.
let me see, sir.
Go to share content.
Share content.
View full screen.
Wait. So, which one do I do, sir? There are share screen
Yeah, share screen.
box. Share screen.
Yeah. Yes, now it is bigger. Wait a moment.
Oh, sir, I am using my phone. That's why.
Okay. So everyone, can you see this? Oh, it is tilted. Why? So can you just rotate your machine? Oh, it is tilted. Yeah. Okay. So just can you bring it closer to your screen?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So use H. Just remove everything from there. Start from the
Okay,
beginning.
sir.
Delete. Delete. Yes. Use H. Enter.
Wait a minute.
Now delete everything. Whatever hats you are using. Okay.
It's
Hmm.
now.
H.
Now,
Type H.
it's I have.
Pick point.
Yes, sir.
This is pick point. Huh? Okay. Then just select inside that box.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then, sir,
And then,
and sir, this is the thing.
okay. Are you going to use concrete? Yes. Pick up that concrete. Go up. No,
And
concrete. Yeah, that one. Okay.
this one, sir.
Uh,
This is
so you have
angle,
selected
and
it.
this.
Okay, so that means your scale is very small. So you
Oh,
use the command hatch edit. HE,
huh?
H,
HE.
HE.
Sir, do it to
Yeah, type
uh,
HE, hatch edit. Enter,
wait a minute.
HE.
HE.
Now select this thing inside.
Now I get it.
Ah,
Wait,
coming?
now I get it, sir. This
Yes.
one right, sir.
Yeah, so there you can change the scale.
Yes, sir.
So maybe you can increase the scale. 80,
Yes, sir. I will.
you try maybe 200 and then check the preview, lower bottom. Oh,
Lower button.
no. Again,
This one, sir.
type HE. Pick those things inside. I cannot see your screen now. Okay.
I'm not getting it.
Select this.
I select it, sir.
So 200 is too big. So reduce it to maybe 50.
50.
50. 50. Or maybe even 10. 10.
Think
Don't immediately put
it's
enter. You
too.
can see the preview.
Okay, sir. I will. It's too small, sir.
No, yeah, and now change the scale. You have to play with the scale. So make it one
Okay,
or two. Two maybe. Or is it? I cannot
150.
really see if it is bigger or smaller. So just play with the scale and then check the preview button. So preview is down below.
Okay, sir.
Left. Uh,
Why my screen is still small?
Now change the scale. Change it to maybe 1 or maybe 1,000. Just try to play with those things. Make it one.
Okay, sir.
It's starting to come.
Coming,
Maybe
sir. I'm not coming. It's
no, make it 2,000. No, not 2,000. Why? What happens when you put one there? I cannot see it from here. When you put one, the scale
one.
one,
The scale. Oh,
one,
sir. I
then
get it,
go
sir.
to check. Yeah, this is
Now
coming.
I get it, sir.
Huh?
Okay, now. Yes, sir. I get it.
Now it looks like it is coming.
Yes, sir. Now it look like it's coming, sir.
Okay. So now you can see the preview at the bottom left, and then accordingly change the scale and then change the material. And then you make
Okay, sir.
chart like this. Okay, so this exercise is for everybody, okay? Only
Okay, sir.
Oliver is doing here. I assume everyone to
Okay,
practice.
sir. I get it now.
So those who haven't installed the software, do it immediately. Yeah, because this is the lab class. You have to have this software. AutoCAD. Okay. So the second exercise is about. Let me share the screen one more time. Just a moment. So is it visible? Okay. So I will now show you how you can do the second exercise. Second exercise means the other symbols. Symbols for doors, windows, and rolling shutters. Huh? Hmm. So let us do this exercise in a different unit. So what kind of unit we are going to use now? Maybe we should be using architectural unit. Ah. This lab is going to be over maybe after 5 minutes. So, just a moment. Okay, so everyone in your WhatsApp, have you been able to see the second exercise? Symbols for doors, windows, and rolling shutters.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want you to draw those symbols, but let us use a different unit, not in millimeters or not the metric unit, but let us use the architectural unit. So for that, we have to first change the unit. So I now start the software and I type DD unit. So in the earlier software, we use units, but in AutoCAD, in order to change the units, we use the command called DD units. DDUNITS. So if you type DD units and enter, you come to see this small window where you can change. So this is decimal unit by default. So architectural means feet and inches. Okay. So I change this length to architectural, and then the precision, I don't want this much a precision, 0 feet, 0 inches. In case of angles, let it remain as
Sir, I didn't brought my laptop.
Huh?
My laptop and I'm at village. That's why so I was not being able to draw to
That means you cannot connect to AutoCAD or what?
No, sir. I have training. I have took the training AutoCAD, but from Corona, I didn't brought my laptop. I have kept at home only.
Oh no, you have to find the laptop. This lab is actually, you have to use your laptop because
Yeah.
this is the name of this class is computer aided drawing. So
Yes, sir.
without the computer, this whole lab
Yeah.
is really meaningless. So somehow
Yes, sir.
you have to have a laptop. You have to get hold of a laptop, and then you have to have the software.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so if not in this class, maybe by next class, please manage to do these things. Get a laptop.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, सर हम चांगलांग में बैठता था ना तो सर चांगलांग से मतलब यहाँ पे आलो में बस्ती में आ गया तो मतलब इमरजेंसी में लैपटॉप को लाना भूल गया उसके लिए मतलब और यहाँ पे तो आलो में ऑटोकेड का मतलब है ही नहीं ना साइबर लो तो उसके लिए मतलब थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है मतलब ये पर मतलब
No, this
2-3 वीक में चला जाएगा.
I cannot help those things. So
Yeah.
I can only help you with something related to the software, but those things you have to manage somehow. Yeah. For
Yes, sir.
everyone,
Yeah.
please get the software and the laptop for the class. If you have a physical classroom here, we do not have, or we do not face this problem. But since we are away from each other now, so the
Yeah,
only
sir.
way is you have to do it in a virtual mode with your own laptop. No, I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
provide you this laptop now. Anyway, I can teach you what these things are. Maybe in the next class also I can repeat the things, but please, from your side, try to get the laptop. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
So DD units for lengths, we type architectural, and then the precision is 0 feet, 0 inches. And we don't change any other things. Then just type OK. Okay. So now our unit system has changed. So that means if I want to draw a line like